Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains there. I'm in Callao, Missouri right now. Train cars pull 67. Guess what? I bet the BNSF was slowing down. Can you believe that? Now we're leading empty auto trains. He was going to slow down to 30. He might be stopping somewhere. He's going to slow down. I don't know. Symbol that train was BNSF ES44DC. That train originates at Elwood, Illinois, heads west, going to Kansas City, Kansas on this Friday, October 21st, 2022, by Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains on YouTube. I saw a train slowing down. Might be slowing up. Here's the next video. My name is Tyler McCully. Have a good day.